Good morning, students. This is Ankita Keshavani here. So, students, as you know, in our previous lectures, we had covered our chapter number 1, that is parts of computer, and chapter number 2, that is hardware and software. Okay. So, today I am not going to start any new chapter. We will focus on this activity section that is given on your book. Okay, so students, first pause this video and open page number 14 of chapter number 1. Okay, page number 14 open करो सबके सब and grab a pencil and eraser. Okay, now see here, what is this activity? Write the missing input, processing and output for the following machines by using hints box given below. These are some machines are given, that is microwave, mixer juicer, food processor, calculator, washing machine, toaster, music system and water purifier. Okay, and some hints are given here. Okay, these are hints. So using these hints we have to fill these blanks. Okay, so before starting with this activity, we will just revise what is input, process and output cycle. What is input, process and output cycle? So open page number 7. Okay, so here on page number 7, you can see what is input. The data and instruction which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. Okay, the data and instructions which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. Okay, we can enter numbers, words, pictures or sounds as input. We can enter numbers, words, pictures or sounds as input. What is processing? After entering data and instructions. After entering data and instructions in a computer, the CPU works on the input to give meaningful information. Okay, CPU works on the input to give a meaningful information. This is called processing. This is called processing. Okay, now see output. When the data is processed in a CPU, when the data is processed in a CPU to give useful information, it is known as output. It is known as output. Okay, so this input, process, output cycle, in short we can say IPO cycle. Okay, so this input, process, output or IPO cycle can be understood with the help of an example. Suppose you want to calculate the total marks of different subjects on a computer. Okay, you have some marks of different subjects and you have to calculate total marks of different subjects. See how the processing take place in a computer. So if we want to calculate the total marks of different subjects on a computer, so we should give numbers to the as a input to the computer. Okay, so 90, 85, 69, 98, 76 and 84, these are the input. Okay, so these are the numbers that we have given, that is given by us to computer. Okay, as a input. And also we will give computer a operator, that is plus operator, because we have to find the sum of these numbers. So that's why we will give plus operator to the computer as a input, as an input. Okay, So these numbers are known as numbers and operator are known as data and instructions. The first step is to input data and instruction, that is marks and plus symbol. Okay, it is also known as operator और plus symbol. फिर यहाँ से जैसे ही इंस्ट्रक्शन हमने प्रोसेसिंग CPU को दिया, सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज प्रोसेसिंग. ओके, प्रोसेस. सो working on the data on the basis of given instruction. If we give computer some data, some numbers and a plus operator, so computer add this all numbers, okay, basis of a given instructions. Now what we will get after processing this data? What we will get? We will get a meaningful information or result, that is 502 as an output. Okay, on this basis of total marks obtained, the teacher calculates the percentage of a student and finds his or her position in the class. Likewise, we also perform various tasks by following the input process output cycle. Let us understand it through some day-to-day life examples. Okay, so here one question is given for you, that is, what steps does your mother take when she prepares a cup of tea? Okay, so here you can see we will give water, tea leaves, milk and sugar as an input. Okay, and using these input materials, that is water, tea leaves, milk and sugar, we will process this in this data. Okay, so how we will process this? We will process this water, tea leaves, milk and sugar by boiling it. Okay, so processing include boiling water, tea leaves, adding tea leaves and boiling milk and sugar also. Okay, so first we have to boil water, then we have to boil milk and add some tea leaves and sugar. So this is about processing. Okay, as a result, what we will get? We will get a prepared tea. Okay, so as an output we will get a prepared cup of tea. Okay, so this is about input, process, output cycle. First we have to give some input to the computer. Then after taking this input, computer process it, and after processing these inputs, computer produce a meaningful output. Okay, computer produce a meaningful information which is known as an output. So this is about input, process, output cycle. Now come on this page number 14. Now what is our first activity question? That is, write the missing input, processing and output for the following machines by using the hints box given below. Okay, so here you can see some hints are given here. Using these hints we have to fill these blanks. Okay, so let's start with the first machine, that is microwave. Okay, so in microwave we give rice and water as an input. Okay, and after processing this input we will get a food which is ready to eat. Okay, so we will get rice, that is, which is ready to eat. Now we have to find the processing of microwave. So we will find here ready juice of carrots and oranges. No, this one is not. Big pieces of vegetables. No. Calculation is being done. No. Heating and cooking. Yes, heating and cooking. So write here heating and cooking. Heating and cooking. Okay, so when we will give rice and water as an input to microwave take it as an input and apply the heating and cooking process on it, and after processing we will get rice which is ready to eat. Okay, you can see here the second machine is mixer juicer. Okay, so in a mixer juicer, when we will give carrots and oranges for an input, so the second processing step is what? Curing and extracting juice. So after processing this input, that is carrots and oranges, what we will get? We use mixer juicer to obtain juice. So कैरेट एंड ऑरेंजेस इनपुट देने के बाद उसमें प्रोसेसिंग क्या होगी? क्यूरिंग एंड एक्सट्रैक्टिंग जूस. सो हमको क्या मिलेगा? देखो हिंट बॉक्स में सर्च करते हैं, फर्स्ट वाला ही मिल गया, रेडी जूस ऑफ कैरेट्स एंड ऑरेंजेस. ओके, सो राइट हियर रेडी juice of carrots and oranges. Okay, so this one is completed. Now next machine is food processor. You can see food processor. Okay, this one is food processor. So here you can see only one step is given, that is processing step. And what is this? Cutting the vegetables. Okay, so cutting the vegetables means यहाँ पे क्या input दे रहा होगा? हमको क्या input देना है? You can find input using this clue. Okay, so big pieces of vegetables. Okay, big pieces of vegetables. So we will give big pieces of vegetables as an input. Big pieces of vegetables. Okay, we will give big pieces of vegetables as an input to the food processor. Okay, and after cutting the vegetables we will get as an output. What we will get as an output? So let's find here. Ready to juice ये तो हो चुका है. Big pieces of vegetable, it is also done. Calculation is being done. No. Heating and cooking, it is also done. Purify water, it is no, it is not done. ये नहीं होगा अभी. ठीक है. Chopped vegetables. Okay, this one. So after processing, after cutting this vegetables, what we will get? We will get chopped vegetables. Okay, so right here chopped vegetables. Okay, ये लेना. Now see next machine. Next machine is calculator. Okay, next machine is calculator. So in calculator we will give numbers and operating symbols as an input. Okay, numbers means 1 2 3 4 anything. Okay, and operating symbols means plus, minus, multiplication, into, divide. So these are operating symbols. Okay, so we will give numbers and operating symbols as an input to the calculator. Okay, and after processing these numbers we will get calculated answer as an output. So यहाँ पे क्या प्रोसेसिंग होनी चाहिए? चलो हिंट में घुसते हैं, आप सर्च करो. This one is done, this one is done. Calculation is being done. So this one is the process. Okay. So right here, calculation is being done. Okay, calculation is being done. So we give numbers and operating symbols as an input to the calculator. After processing this numbers and operating symbols, we will get calculated answer. Okay. Now next machine is washing machine. So in washing machine, the second and third step is given, that is processing steps and output steps. First one, processing में क्या दिया हुआ है? Washing clothes. Okay. And output में हमको क्या मिल रहा है? Clean clothes. So input में हम क्या दे सकते हैं? हम कपड़े क्यों धोते हैं? जब कपड़े डर्टी हो जाते हैं थोड़े से, है ना? So हम क्या देंगे as an input? Dirty clothes. Very good. सो डर्टी क्लॉथ्स कहाँ लिखा है? यहाँ. ठीक है, अब हमको इसको यहाँ पे एज एन इनपुट में लिखना है. ओके, सो राइट हियर डर्टी क्लॉथ्स. ओके, सो वी विल गिव डर्टी क्लॉथ्स as an input to the washing machines, and washing machine process this dirty clothes by washing clothes. Okay. Then after processing this, we will get clean clothes as an output. Okay. Now the next machine is toaster. Okay. This one is toaster. A toaster is look like this. Okay. So in the toaster we give slices of bread as an input. Slices of bread as an input. So what is the process done here? Heating and baking. Okay. So after heating and baking these slices of bread, we will get an output. So वो क्या हो सकता है output? Toasted bread slices. Okay. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है toasted bread slices. तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? Toasted bread slices. Can see the next machine is music system. Okay, so a music system is look like this. So here you can see two steps are given. First one is the second step is given, that is processing step. That is spinning. Okay, and after spinning we will get music and songs as an output. So to get music and songs as an output, what input we should give to the music system? We should give a music CD. We should give a music CD as an input to the music system. So write here a music CD. A music CD. Okay, a music CD. We will give a music CD as an input to the music system, and after spinning this CD we will get music and songs as an output. Okay. Now our next and last machine is water purifier. Okay, water purifier. So in water purifier we will give plain water as an input. Okay, so after processing this plain water we will get clean drinking water. Okay, we will get clean drinking water. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बेटा? You can see here purifies water, this one. Okay, so प्यूरीफायर क्या करेगा? वाटर को प्यूरीफाई करने का काम करता है. सो राइट हियर प्यूरीफाइज वाटर. ओके, so this is about your activity number 1. Now come here. You can see here this one is your lab activity, but due to this lockdown it is not possible, so you have to do this activity on your home only in this book. Okay, if you have any laptop or computer on your home at your home, so you can do this activity on computer, otherwise no problem, you can do this activity on this book. Okay, so this is your homework and this activity is enough for today. This is your homework, so you have to arrange this jumbled letters. You have to arrange this jumbled letters and write the correct one in this blanks. Okay, in this blanks. So that is enough for today. आई थिंक आपको ये एक्टिविटी बहुत पसंद आई होगी और इसको अच्छे से करना. इसको कॉपी में लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. नो नीड टू राइट दिस एक्टिविटी ऑन योर नोटबुक. यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी ओनली ऑन योर बुक. ओके, ओनली ऑन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, सो बाय, टेक केयर, एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. You have to do this activity. When school will reopen, I will check it. Okay, so bye, take care.